Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Vegancuts beauty box for February 2022 unboxing, or unbagging rather. And here is the card for the month. We got this cute little llama. This box supports Fox and Friends at Morningside Farm Sanctuary in Veneta, Oregon. So, cute little guy there. Looks like we're getting 4 products in this month's box, so let's go ahead and check them out. First one, this is quite tall. First product we're getting is this toothbrush. This is the Humble Brush Bamboo Brush. So, slim tapered soft bristles, completely vegan. My box is a little bit ripped. So my bag does come stuffed into my snack box, so I guess it just got a little beat up with the snacks that were in my box, but I'm not that worried about it, to be honest. So let's go ahead and read about this. This is the Super Zero, no, that's the wrong one. This is the Humble Black Sensitive Toothbrush. It's a $5 value, an eco-friendly toothbrush with a handle made of 100% biodegradable, sustainably grown bamboo, along with packaging made of recycled materials that can be thrown in the organic trash. So there we go. Never mad about getting a free toothbrush. Well, not free, but like another toothbrush. The dentist always gives us toothbrushes for free. But yeah, anytime I don't have to buy a toothbrush, I'm not mad about it. So let's dig in, see what else we've got in here. This next product, well, first of all, I love the color of the packaging. Love this color. Is this not focused on me? Let's get this focused on me. There we go. I love the color of this package. So this is from Natural Ecos. It is the Castagna Nourishing Foot Cream. Foot cream. It's kind of fun. I have another foot cream I got a while back, maybe a few months ago, in my nightstand. I don't use it enough and I need to use it more. Same with this. I'm gonna have to use this. So, ooh, I like the packaging. This is really fun. I like the branding on this company's stuff. And it's like a aluminum container. So I'm very excited about this. Let me read about this one. This is an $18 value, so this is basically the price of the whole box, whole subscription in and of itself. A pampering foot cream enriched with a blend of nourishing castana oil and cupacatu butter from Brazil that sinks into skin to soothe and smooth rough, dry, and even cracked skin. Apply a liberal amount on the feet from heels to toes. Massage well until fully absorbed. So I'm very excited about this, and I want to look into what else this brand has because I'm just really wowed by the packaging. I mean, call me simple, but shiny tube will always get me. I love shiny. So 2 for 2 so far. I'm kind of liking what's in this month's subscription. Next we have, it's my favorite. It is the Super Zero shampoo bar, and this is actually one of my favorite hair products. I love the Super Zero shampoo bars. So let me read to you about this, but I already know I love it. So this is the Super Zero mini shampoo bar for normal / oily fine hair. It's a $7 value. They sell these on Amazon. I know that for sure because I have some in my Amazon cart that I was going to buy after I ran out of other shampoos. And it says they also sell this in their market on the website. A shampoo that deeply cleanses your hair while smoothing and nourishing hair shafts and improving hair texture for soft, shiny, bouncy hair that never weighs you down. And I can attest, this is a really good shampoo bar. It lathers well, it cleanses well. You never feel like your hair is dry or stripped, just super clean. I love it. I'm obsessed with that shampoo bar. Can't speak highly enough about it. And the last product is from Nuria, which I believe I've had a face, an SPF product for the face from them before, and the packaging was really weird, so it's hard to get all the product out. And this is the Defend Skin Restoring Serum with carrot seed oil from Asia. I don't know why it matters where it's from. I really like their packaging too. They keep their branding in these 2 colors, which are kind of complementary. They're really cool colors together. So let me take this product out. And here's what it looks like. Let me read to you about it. The Nuria Defends Skin Restoring Serum is a $32 value. So this makes it the most expensive product in the box. Give your skin a potent boost with carrot seed oil, the miracle oil that restores and rejuvenates. Trusted by women across Asia for generations, gently apply 1 to 2 drops to your face and neck morning and night. Allow it to absorb completely before following up with moisturizer and or makeup. So let's, of course, any skincare products, we read about the ingredients. So the ingredient list is very small, which is nice to see. But fragrance. It says fragrance perfume, and it is second from the bottom, which in a longer ingredient list, maybe not a big deal, but this is a very short ingredient list. So I wonder what it actually smells like. Okay, that is very fragrant. It's almost like a soapy meets passion fruit kind of scent, if that makes any sense. It smells really good, but I don't want a product that smells that strong going on my face. So I'm going to give this away to a friend. And that is that on that. So it's kind of annoying that this is the most expensive product in there, and it smells like straight up a candle. Like, it smells like perfume. I do really like these 3 products, but these 3 products I don't even think add up to the cost of this one, so that's kind of annoying. This box was really lining up to be a good one, and then that happened. So overall, I'm gonna give this a B-. I did like 3 of the products, but the value of those 3 products being half the box compared to the one expensive item being kind of not that great, I don't know. I'm not too pleased about it, but I am happy to have another one of these shampoo bars because I love them. So that's my opinions on the Vegancuts box for February 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Let me know about how you felt about these products, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!